Okay, so I just got the news last night that I placed second on Contra's Notion challenge, and I wanted to share with you what I created for it because I think you're gonna love it. Because I myself I've been using it every day since I created it. So let me show you. So to start out, let's browse through the new jobs on Contra and see what interests us. So this one too. Freelance presentation, no, not my thing. Paid social, I don't do paid. Social media manager, video editor, and freelance social media content creator. Let's go. I'm just going to quickly browse through all because sometimes something falls in there and doesn't fall in the for you that may be interesting. And basically, I just dismiss whatever I don't like and I look for this little red dot that signifies something is new. And I'm just going to get back to you when I stop this because I bet this is super boring. By the way, if you didn't see my full Contra video, I've been loving Contra challenges. It's just so much fun and gets my creative brain thinking. So, this is our first victim. So the thing I created is with Notion and works with the Save to Notion extension for Chrome. I don't know if there's extension for other browsers, but basically the only thing I haven't quite nailed yet is the job description. So I just copy everything and paste it here. And then I hit save page and it's done. And I do that for all of the others. Let me do this for the rest and I'll come back when I'm done. So now they all saved to Notion. Now let me quickly go back to Notion and explain to you how this works. So this is meant to help you apply to jobs. And I'll have it linked down below. It will be free because I just want to help people apply to jobs. So how it works is first you need to populate the freelance brain. So you'll open this up, you'll tell it your service and expertise, so what you offer clients, your tone of voice, are you more professional, more casual, that kind of thing. And you can give it as much or as little information as you want. Obviously, the more you give it, the better it will work. I give it portfolio and results, some stats from things I've done in the past. I give it the information about my ideal client and some hard no's, like we don't want to apply to this. And then we have the leads database, and that's where the Save to Notion works. So whenever you saw me add something to the Save to Notion, it saves it to this database. And what it will do is it will save the job title, the job link, it will save the job description, that part that I was copying, and then it will evaluate, do a fit check to see, okay, 1 to 10, how good is this compared to what I told it I am looking for in a client? And then if it's above a 5 from 1 to 10, it will do a pitch draft. If it's under 5, it will leave it as pending so I can go in and decide, okay, do I want to agree with it and just say no? Or do I want to still apply to that job? And by the way, you will have access to this blank one that's blank in the freelance brain as well. And you will have the link for both this and the agent. So the agent is separate from the Notion board, but they work together. And the agent's name is Pitching Pat. And as you can see, it's waiting because it's currently processing those jobs that I just gave it. So we'll wait 2 minutes apparently, and we should have something there. Okay, so it started with the video editor. So fit check 7, so this job is good for us. And what I will do then is come here to Contra. I can just click the link again. It will take me straight to it. And I'll copy this and paste it in my cover letter section. And then obviously I'll go through and make some edits just to make it sound a little bit more like me. But I have to say, out of all the AI systems I've tried to build over the months, this is the one I feel like gets it closer so far, at least. So this one, it said it's a fit 3. I'm guessing because of the budget. Yeah, so it's social media, but has quite a low budget. Now, I could go through and see if I agree, because sometimes clients mention something that may be negotiable or something like that. But yeah, they seem to want weekly meetings and all that stuff, so it seems to actually not be a good fit. But when it gets it wrong, because it will sometimes get it wrong, or I won't agree with it for some reason, I can just call out our agent here. I can say, hey, pitching Pat, can you still draft a pitch here? And it will go through and do it. It marks it as read, and then after a little bit, yeah, you can see. Here's the pitch it wrote, but I'm not going to send this one. Sorry, Pat. But yeah, just a quick video just to share that with you. I would love to hear your thoughts on it, any tips, improvement, anything like that that you'd like to share. Share it in the comments or send me a DM over on Instagram. I would love to hear it and keep improving this, because if it's just me using it, it's such a small testing group that I would love additional input on it. So yeah, Hope you like it. Hope this helps you as much as it helped me. And I'll see you next time.